Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through the technical heart of NeuroLearn, our BCI-powered adaptive learning platform. Our system is built on a seamless integration of custom hardware and intelligent software to create a truly responsive learning experience for students with ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So let's start with part 1. It will be the hardware portion, that is how we sense the brain's signals. So everything starts with understanding the user's cognitive state. To do this, we use a simple non-invasive hardware setup. First, the user wears a custom-built EEG band. The primary electrode on the front is responsible for capturing the faint electrical signals from the brain, the raw brain waves. To get a clean signal, we use two reference electrodes on either side of the main sensor and a ground electrode placed behind the ear. These are crucial for eliminating electrical noise from the body and the environment. These wind signals are incredibly weak, in the microvolt range. They are sent to this compact amplifier circuit. Its job is to boost the signal thousands of times, making it strong enough for our microcontroller to read accurately. The amplified analog signal is then fed into the brain of our hardware, the Arduino Uno R4. The Arduino's analog to digital converter transforms the brainwave into a stream of digitals, ones and zeros, a language the computer can understand easily. It then sends this digital data to our software via a standard USB connection. So let's start with our part 2, which is the software portion, that is how we analyze and adapt. So once the data reaches our laptop, the intelligent part of our system takes over. Our custom software, built using Python and modern web frameworks, receives the continuous stream of data from the Arduino. So the first step is pre-processing. The software filters the signal to remove any remaining noise and isolates the most important brainwave frequencies for attention. The alpha waves are related to relaxation or mind wandering, and beta waves related to active focus and concentration. Next, our machine learning classifier, in this case an SVM model, analyzes the relationship between the alpha and beta waves in real time. A high level of beta wave activity indicates focus, while a rise in alpha waves suggests distraction. The model classifies the student's state as either focused or distracted. So this is where the magic happens. When the system suggests a drop in attention, it doesn't just let the students fail, it intervenes. First, it might provide a gentle nudge, as we have seen, like a focus alert pop-up to bring the student's attention back. If the distraction persists, the system takes a more active step, as you can see here. When the student's attention is low while watching a video, NeuroLearn automatically pauses the lesson and presents a short 5-question quiz. This microactivity serves as a mental reset, breaking the cycle of distraction and actively re-engaging the student's mind. The student can either retake the quiz or finish and continue with his lesson. Finally, all of this is presented through a clean and intuitive interface. Here, the student can see the performance insight, that how his session went, and the attention timeline, like for how many minutes he was attentive. So here, the student can see his focus streak, and this gamified feedback loop motivates them to stay engaged. We also have a powerful teacher dashboard. Here, an educator gets a live overview of the entire class. They can see which students are focused and which are struggling, all in real time. They can also access accessibility features like ADHD friendly fonts and color themes to further personalize the experience for the entire class. This provides teachers with unprecedented objective data to truly understand and support every student's unique learning style. In summary, our system creates a complete feedback loop, from sensing brainwaves with our hardware to analyzing them with our AI, and finally to adapting the learning experience through our user friendly software.
This is how NeuroLearn provides the personalized empathetic support that neurodiverse students need to succeed. Thank you.